Christmas Valley, Oregon is a landscape shaped by fire and ice. Its story begins millions of years ago during the Miocene Epoch, when powerful volcanic eruptions laid the foundation for what we see today. Around 7.5 million years ago, lava from the Fort Rock Volcanic Field spread across the region, creating vast basalt flows and distinctive formations. One of the most iconic features, Fort Rock, is a tuff ring formed about 50,000 to 100,000 years ago by explosive interactions between magma and groundwater. The valley itself was once submerged beneath Lake Chewaucan during the late Pleistocene, roughly 12,000 years ago, leaving behind a patchwork of playas and fossilized shorelines. Significant discoveries in the area include ancient human artifacts found in the nearby Paisley Caves, some dating back over 14,000 years. These finds mark Christmas Valley as a crossroads of both geologic and human history, where shifting climates and volcanic events shaped the land and its earliest inhabitants. Just outside Christmas Valley lies the remarkable crack in the ground, a volcanic fissure that stretches nearly 2 miles and plunges up to 70 feet deep. Formed thousands of years ago by tectonic forces and cooling lava, this natural crevice invites explorers to walk its shadowed corridors and marvel at the unique geology that sets the region apart. The crack in the ground stands as a dramatic reminder of the dynamic earth beneath our feet, offering both adventure and insight into the volcanic origins of Oregon's high desert. Today, Christmas Valley stands as a testament to the power of geological forces and the passage of time. Its legacy lives on in the rocks, the sand, and the deep history waiting to be discovered by those who wander its ancient terrain.